conference is actually one of the first steps how we would like to strengthen the ties and give more opportunities in the field of innovation, high technology, entrepreneurship for cooperation between both countries. We also signed a letter of intent, a joint declaration between Ministry of Economic Development and Technology and Israeli Innovation Authority in the field of cooperation in innovation. And I think that this gives us a wonderful new opportunities to bring this forward.
Program combines in one place key support that innovative young companies need for the fast global growth, financial incentives on one side in the form of startup grants, convertible loans, co-investments with private investors such as business angels, professional seed or other VC funds, and also with cooperation with corporations. And this is on the one side, along financial incentives. The innovative startup companies also received various high quality and specialized substantive support.
And what's important to understand is that we're not better. Absolutely not. It's a case of just we don't have any choice. And as our president Shimon Peres said, necessity is the mother of innovation, but as he said, and added to that, it's the necessity, it's the diversity, and it's the chutzpah of the Israeli way of doing it. I would like to get a bit deeper into that and to present some other elements that are important elements in this. So starting from culture, academy, our military service, the immigration, internationality, and the governmental support. And I think the one thing that actually connects it all will be the culture of Israel and the culture of the people. And if we look at that, we can generalizely saying that in a way we have this kind of chutzpah way of doing the things, which is very different, especially from Europe. So we are very informal, we're very flexible, very direct and open, sometimes as considered to be a bit rude. Failure in Israel is okay and sometimes even counted as be good. And networking and community, this is a strong and important vehicle to move this innovation forward, and the self-confidence in terms of I can do it better. This kind of approach, it's kind of the engine that moves the innovation of the Israelis. It's not necessarily what you know, it's how confident you kind of move the things and push the things forward. And,
the day, it's all about people. We choose the right people, highly connected in the country, with goodwill and open heart to join these projects with a very warm bless of Ambassador Andrea. So use it, you get it free of charge. Use this platform to make the first contact that you have and to find the right reason to make another contact and more conversation and more conversation and more open talks, and then it will happen. We are hungry to be part of it.